Health benefits of butter coffee. Butter coffee has become a popular way of preparing morning brew, but are there any downsides? The bulletproof method of preparing coffee may not be the correct choice for every individual. If you want to lose weight, you should aim to stay on top of your calorie intake. It's easy to rack up calories adding fat into your coffee. If you are trying to stay within certain macronutrient ranges, be sure to measure the caloric values of all oils or butters added to the coffee. Simply placing butter into coffee will not result in rapid weight loss alone. Make sure that you incorporate butter coffee as part of a holistic nutrition strategy in order to get the best results. Benefits of coffee alone. Before we deep dive into butter coffee, let's take a look at some of the benefits of drinking coffee by itself. One of the main reasons people drink coffee is the boost from caffeine. Let's face it. Would your morning cup of coffee have quite the same allure if it was decaffeinated? Because of our worldwide love affair with caffeine, regular full-strength coffee is brewed around the clock. For most people, the beneficial range of caffeine consumption is 38 mg to 400 mg per day. This provides optimal energy levels with few downsides. Another benefit of caffeine is increased fat loss capabilities. Studies have shown caffeine improves weight maintenance through thermogenesis and fat oxidation. This is one of the reasons many fat loss supplements contain caffeine. When you combine coffee with other powerful ingredients, the benefits can increase exponentially. Improves satiety. For people following a keto diet, consuming sufficient slow-release energy from fat is one of the most crucial elements of feeling full. Adding oil and butter to your coffee can ensure fat intake stays high. If you're like most people, morning hunger pangs are a common distractor as you try and focus and be productive. Butter coffee may be just the tool to help. Adding butter and oil to your coffee may aid in satiety compared to coffee alone. Studies have shown increased dietary fat can improve satiety through the regulation of appetite with the release of appetite hormones. If you're struggling with feelings of hunger during a diet, swapping out the spikes of energy from sugar for steady energy from fat is one way to keep you feeling full. Helps improve weight loss on keto. Butter coffee fits perfectly within a keto diet strategy. Consuming MCT oils in the morning may help stabilize blood sugar and enhance the production of ketones. Because these beverages are often free of net carbs and contain a high amount of fat, consuming MCT oils or powders may help switch the body into fat-burning mode. If you make butter coffee at home, you can ensure no carbs sneak in. Double-check any pre-made fat-infused coffee products to ensure no additional carbs have been added. Studies have shown the quality of fat intake can play a role in fat loss. Not all sources of fat are equal when it comes to weight loss. MCTs have been shown to be a superior fat source when it comes to overall fat loss due to their ability to be processed directly by the liver, placing little to no strain on the digestive system. Improves cognitive function. We already know drinking coffee alone can improve brain function and assist with focus, thanks to the caffeine. Butter coffee may be able to further increase cognitive benefits. One of the main ingredients in butter coffee is medium-chain triglyceride oil, better known as MCT oil. In studies performed on people taking MCTs, cognition improved along with brain function. Sometimes, a cup of coffee isn't always the answer. But stacking different supplements on top of one another, like caffeine and MCT oil, might just surprise you in terms of what it can do for energy. Tastes better than black coffee. Coffee is a regular feature in many people's lives, keto or not. The high-fat content of butter coffee can mellow out the aggressiveness of black coffee, as well as help you out with your keto goals. Butter coffee may be an amazing high-fat alternative that plays a role in the keto diet, while curbing the aggressiveness of black coffee. Adding butter and MCT oil or powder to your coffee not only helps maintain ketosis, it improves the flavor as well. Instead of gulping down hot bitter coffee to get through the day, butter coffee will soften the overpowering taste, especially when the MCTs are flavored. But watch out. Some flavored MCT oils or powders contain sweeteners or artificial ingredients. Butter can make coffee more palatable to many people. Try different butter oil to coffee ratios to concoct your perfect morning beverage. What types of butter or oil should you add to your coffee? See details below.